Billy, do you want Marley to help you move that rock? There's no shame in asking for help. That's dangerous. You're being stubborn. Oh no! Take cover! Ouch! You've been hit! Tom, quick! Billy is hurt! Let's go to your garage. Billy doesn't look so good. Ready for the inspection? The impact of that crash broke your hat. Your bucket also took a bad hit from that rock. But Tom is up for the task, right? Okay, Tom, let's start with the hat. Do you think the cowboy hat will suit you? Well, Billy, do you like it? Great. Now for Billy's bucket. That one is too small. Let's get a bigger size. Yes, that's the perfect size for him. Good job. Let's fix the new bucket. Wow, you look as good as new. Billy, something wrong? Aha! So now you don't like your cowboy hat. A hard hat is more protective and keeps you safe. Looks like Billy can't wait to test that new bucket. This phone will help you to ask for help whenever you need it. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye. Great job, Billy. One down, one to go. That one is too heavy. You should call for help. Oh, you're calling Marley?
Hi.
Good choice. Great teamwork, guys. Now the tunnel is clear and safe. Asking for help is part of being strong.
Yeah.
Good morning, Billy.
Hey.
Hi, Edna.
Hey.
You look very busy today. That's odd. That oil tank is off its base. You're not thinking of trying to lift that tank, are you, Billy? Are you trying to show Edna how strong you are, Billy? Uh-oh. What a mess. You okay, Billy? Our good friend Tom can clean you up. Let's go see him. Good morning. Billy needs your help, Tom. As you can see, Billy can use a good washing, Tom. Look at those leaves and sand. Very, very sticky. That oil looks like chocolate sauce. Maybe a big sponge would soak that oil up. You can't even see that there are headlights under there. Okay, let's get to it. Raise up your bucket, Billy. The sponge will soak up all of that excess oil. Does that feel funny, Billy? What's wrong, Billy? Is the water cold? There, it's warmer now. Is that better? The sand is coming off. Okay, time for a little soak. Are you ticklish? There you go, Billy. The leaves are gone. It's time for a final wash. Now, let's get those headlights squeaky clean. There, almost done.
Yeah.
Full blast. It must feel good to be dry. Wow, Billy. Have you ever been this clean?
Oh.
Great job as usual, Tom. Is Billy good to go now?
Huh?
You're wondering what Tom is up to, aren't you, Billy? It's a giant umbrella to wear on your hat so nothing can spill on you. Thanks, Tom. Everybody is gone. You're doing great, Billy. See, no need for an audience. Edna is back. She's ready for a snow fight. Good thing you had your umbrella. Oh no! Skylar and Brooke had an accident, and traffic is building up. Hey, Tom. Thanks for helping out. Rescue team is on the way. Hey, Matilda. Better hurry up and clear the traffic jam. Go, Amber. You're almost there. Watch out. Hey, Tom. Matilda and Amber are hurt. Let's help them first. Looks like Amber can still drive, but Matilda is in too much pain. Great. Tom, let's repair them in your garage. Then they can help Skylar and Brooke. Let the double inspection begin with Matilda. Whoa! A flat tire with its hubcap all broken. Your front bumper is also broken. But there's nothing Tom can't repair. It's Amber's turn. That crash broke your headlight, but Tom will fix you both, right? Let's replace Matilda's tire and hubcap. Tom, do you have the right tire? Yes, you do. Time to choose a hubcap. Perfect choice. Well done. Lastly, a new bumper. You picked the right one. Matilda is finally back to her old self. It's Amber's turn. Time to make a selection. Amber has approved your choice. She is finally back to her old self. Ready to go back and help the other cars? Looks like Tom is up to something. Aha! Jumping wheels to help Amber avoid another collision. Bye-bye, Tom. See you later. Look out! Phew! Saved by the jumping wheels. Go on, Amber. Jump over the cars. You can do it. Way to go! Now you can treat Skylar and Brooke. Always be alert when driving. Oh no! Evil Spider Truck is back again. Are you okay, Frank? Hey, Spider Truck. Your evil twin is causing chaos in the city. There he is. Watch out, Spider Truck. Hey, Tom, did you hear that? Spider Truck needs your help. Can you tell who is who, Tom? Maybe Frank can help you. It's on you, Tom. Just be sure you tow the correct one. Let's see what damage Spider Truck has. Oh no, Tom. You brought evil Spider Truck to the garage. Let's go tow the real Spider Truck. That's not okay. I guess anyone can make a mistake, right, Tom? Are you okay, Spider Truck? That was a big crash. Well, let's start with the inspection. It seems that you have damage in your headlights, Spider Truck. And looks like your front bumper needs some fixing too. But nothing that cannot be repaired, right, Tom? First step done. Now the headlights. You can choose the ones you like the most, Spider Truck. Good decision, Spider Truck. Let's install them. You're back to normal, Spider Truck. Oh, what are you up to, Tom? Looks like Tom has something else for you. Of course, a Hoover kit to help you clean up all the spider webs in the city. Now you're ready to stop your evil twin, Spider Truck. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Look, Spider Truck. It seems that your evil twin has been here again. Look, he's back. Take cover, Frank. Watch out, Spider Truck. Good catch. Looks like someone else needs help, Spider Truck. Duty calls. Hi, Carrie. Are you hurt? No garbage pickup for a day, right? Gary, come on. Remember what Amber said. Gary, no. Your fork is not healed yet. Uh-oh. Can't you move? Hey, Tom. Gary's forks are blocked. Now let's go to Tom's garage. Let's take a look at the problem. The fork is bent and the arm is broken. The top light is also broken. Don't worry, Gary. Tom is an expert. Let's start with replacing your fork, Gary. There it is. Ready, Gary?
Yay!
The new arm is working perfectly. While you're up there, Gary needs a new top light. Yes, that's the one. Wow, Gary, you're as good as new. Tom, what's wrong?
Yay!
Ah, that grapple hook will help Gary to carry the trash bins. It's like having an extra arm. Now you're ready to go back to work. Bye, Tom. Catch you later. That one seems heavy. You need to be more careful. Why not use your extra arm? See? That was amazing and more fun. The grapple hook is making your work much easier. Did you learn the importance of always following the doctor's advice? Ooh, an ice cream stand. So exciting. Wow. Oh no, Edna. Aren't those too many for you to carry? Almost there. Good job, Edna. You are the stronger one. You can pull away from the bricks now. Is everything okay? Yikes! Your bucket broke. Oh no, Edna is badly hurt. She needs Tom. Don't worry, Edna. Tom is here to take you to his garage and fix you up. Thanks, Billy. See you.
Bye.
Now, Tom, what do you think? Edna's arm is bent due to the force of the snap. Her trunk got a serious bump. Edna can't wait to get back to her usual self. Ready to start, Tom? Let's fix the arm first. That one will fit Edna perfectly. Edna, are you ready? Now you can work on Edna comfortably.
Yay! Hey.
You made Edna very happy. Now let's fix Edna's trunk. Welder, here it is. Watch out for the sparks. How do you feel, Edna? You're very brave.
Yay!
Wow, Edna, you're looking as good as new.
Hey.
Feeling better now? Tom, can Edna go back to work now? He is up to something. Wow, a trailer to help Edna easily carry the heavy bricks. That's so nice. Edna, you have to stay still so Tom can fix the trailer. Now, you are ready to go back to work. Goodbye, Tom. Thanks for a job well done. Everything is more fun when you're not competing. Hello, Lily. Taking the babies to school? It's sunny out. You should wear sunglasses. Watch out, Lily. Is everyone okay? It might be best to let the babies out. Oh no, your ramp is broken. Tom, can you help Lily? The babies need to get to school. Tom, are you looking into the repairs? It looks like Lily needs a new ramp. Oh no, Lily's bumper is also bent. Time to get going on the repairs, Tom. First, let's take care of that ramp. Hi, babies. The ramp is almost secure.
Yay!
A perfect fit. Now it's time to find Lily a new bumper. Which one would work for Lily? That looks a bit small, Tom. Great pick, babies. Lily's new bumper needs to be tightly attached. All done. Lily, it's time to go get the babies to school. But before you go, Tom has one last surprise.
Yay! Whoa!
Sunglasses, of course. Lily, now you can see everything when it's sunny out. Let's see how the new ramp works. It works great. Thank you so much, Tom. Sun safety is very important. Lily, do you love your new sunglasses? What is it, Lily? Thankfully, you saw that banana peel. Job well done, Lily.
Woo!
Hey, Tom, watching the race?
Woo!
Matilda is winning. Jerry doesn't look happy about it. What a great comeback. Jerry, is something wrong with your engine? Don't push it. Uh-oh. Matilda, Jerry wants a revenge race. Your engine just broke for good. Tom, can you fix this? The engine is damaged. The headlight needs to be changed too. And these scratches need to be painted. Be patient, Jerry. Let's start with the easiest first, the headlight. Which one would be the best for Jerry? You can test it. Not that fast. You still have an engine to repair. Uh-oh, the engine is fried. Which one would suit Jerry the best? That's powerful.
Hey!
Now let's hide those scratches. Which one goes with Jerry?
Hey!
What an artistic touch. You look brand new. Tom still has something for you. What do you have there, Tom? It's a reactor. Time to get back to race.
Wow.
Let's see who's the fastest. Matilda is leading. It's time to use that reactor. That's a dangerous turn. Don't push. Oh no! Matilda is losing control. Are you okay? Racing is about having fun with your friends. Hey, Amber, on your way to treat Walter's fever? Looks like there's traffic. Use your siren. Seems like no one's moving. Maybe ask the others to let you pass. Amber, don't be shy. Careful. Watch out for the... Oh, no. Amber. Amber is in trouble. She needs your help. Let's take her to your garage. Bad news, Amber. Looks like you have a broken side mirror. Oh, you also have a flat tire. And lastly, your siren is not working. Don't worry, Tom will fix you in no time. Let's start with your flat tire. The first set of wheels look too big. Here's your new tire. Should be just the right size. Let's take the old tire off. Great job, Tom. Now it's time for our side mirror. Is that the right mirror, Tom? Aha! Don't forget your screwdriver, Tom. Does it tickle? Last but not least, a new siren. All done now. You have a surprise for Amber? Now everyone will hear you and let you pass. Give it a go. Yikes! That's really loud. Try it again, Amber. Much better. Time to go now. See ya, Tom. Oh, here's traffic again. You know what to do. You're allowed to be loud, Amber. You're a rescue vehicle. Don't forget to be careful this time. Don't worry, Walter. Amber is here. You're burning up. Cheer up, Walter. You'll be fine tomorrow.